Let's review the in-app campaigns, specifically the reviews campaign. Use this feature to take control of your online reputation and get your business to the top of web search results by boosting your star ratings. This functionality provides so much value to the business, and you can easily track its success and activity right in the CMS. A powerful statistic you must always remind your clients of is that a business can actually see a 5 to 9% revenue increase with every increase of 1 star on these third-party sites. Reviews are incredibly important for every business's credibility, and it helps them have a strong presence online and ultimately helps them get found on a local level. I ask you to ask yourself this question. If you're looking for a new nail salon or a restaurant for a special date night or a dentist because you're simply new to the area, would you trust a business with 3 stars or below? Keep in mind that most purchasing decisions are made well before the customer comes into the business. This truly explains how powerful the online reviews are to customers. Now let's review how to add this reviews campaign add-on to an application. Keep in mind, your app must be running on Cardiff source code or above in order to apply these reviews. Navigate to the add-on section in your reseller dashboard and initially purchase a license. Once you've purchased the license, it will let you know how many you have available. First, you'll simply need to apply the license to the application that you want to use it on. Apply license. Once you've done that, you can now start by setting up the reviews campaign add-on. You'll want to navigate to Grow and then Campaigns inside your application. When you're first building it out, the first thing that you're going to want to do is start by adding your business's location. Next, you'll want to include the links for either one of these third-party sites or all of them. In this case, we've included Google, Yelp, and their Facebook page. After you've included that location, we'll move down to the triggers. Triggers are the events and actions in which we use to initiate a review request from the customers. There's 4 different options. Reward trigger. This prompts the customer to leave a review after redeeming a loyalty reward. In order to use this trigger, your app must contain a loyalty feature. In this case, this is what we've set up. The food ordering trigger. This prompts the customer to review after ordering food throughout the application. In order to use this trigger, this feature must be active within the app as well. Same goes for the merchandise feature. After a user has made a purchase using the merchandise feature, we will prompt the user for review. They will need to have this feature active in order to use this trigger. And last but not least, the usage trigger. This prompts the customer for review after they've engaged with the app within a certain number of times. This trigger can apply to any feature within the app. For example, you can trigger the reviews campaign add-on after a user has clicked on the events feature and relaunched the app. They will at that point be asked to leave a review. For each trigger, you can do 3 things. You can set a prompt timing. At what point during the experience your customer will receive the prompt to leave a review. In this case, we've said immediately after redemption for the loyalty trigger. What this means is that I, as a customer, have come into the business, I have redeemed my prize, whether that be 20% off my purchase, a free smoothie. Next time, soon after redeeming the prize, will receive this message. How's your experience at the rejuvenation place? And this is what it'll look like. Once they have, in fact, selected that, it will ask you, have you had a good experience or a bad experience, essentially? If I select great, meaning I've had a great experience, I'll be prompted to now leave a review on whatever sites I've included in the setup. If I, as a consumer, had a bad experience and I selected not good, this will actually be, the customer will actually be able to leave the review, but will be sent in a weekly report to the business owner.